Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla was up $1.70 today, 0.23%. We closed at $753.64. Post-market, we seem to be down by 33 cents. And what time is it? It's 5:30. Let's look at this. This is what is happening. Remember this little breakout, this fake breakout that looked like a nice breakout? Sometimes we need to wait for 2 days of breakout to confirm the breakout, but sometimes when we wait for that 2 days, the second day is so up high that we just missed the boat. In any case, this is what is happening. So we have a double resistance right now in this bearish channel that we are in since September 7th. This little fake breakout on September 17th was in fact touching the double resistance, which I just drew here. So right now we have a red candle. We have a red candle, a longer wick at the bottom. We have a wick at the top that is a little bit shorter. So during the day, there's a little bit more of a buying pressure. And now this wick broke outside of the resistance a little bit and came down. And in terms of volume, the volume is really decreasing. So we are feeling a deceleration. For Tesla. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So what do we have here? So 9:30. Look at this. So again, look at this. We touched the first resistance that we had. We touched it perfectly on the first hour. Went a little bit outside. The second one during the first hour also then went down. Then some support. We are finding some support at 748. Then that allowed us to go back up, but resistance at 755. And we could not get past that. And we are getting very close to this resistance right here. Stochastic is still super strong, so we could still break out of it tomorrow. That's still possible. Everything on the indicators is good so far. Let's look at the daily chart. So stochastic is at 83. So that's good. RSI, and nothing to mention here because the RSI is basically behaving like the stock. This point here, this candle here, September 17th corresponds to this RSI point, let's say, at 62. And this point is lower, this candle is lower on Tesla, and it is also lower on RSI. This is a convergence. The RSI is behaving the same way as the stock. So this is not a divergence, so it's not telling us much. And we have MACD that crossed over bearish not too long ago. So this is still bearish. And DMI is crossing over bullish. But in this case, because we have a tight bearish channel, the indicators have a hard time adjusting back and forth. We can take that a little bit with a grain of salt. So the big question is Tesla strong enough to break this resistance? This is the second time that Tesla is trying, and this is a downward resistance. So Tesla is even lower here than it was right here. And we have a red candle here. We need to be checking this to see if we are going to break outside of that. We just need to be patient and see what the stock does. We need to be patient and just see what the stock does. It can come back down to the support here, or it can try again or linger towards this resistance and even break it if the stock is strong enough. In terms of the earnings call, the next earnings call, the earnings so the period ends. The earnings are happening October 27th for the period ending in September. Not too many days after September 30th, Tesla is going to publish their production numbers. So this will have a catalytic effect on the stock, either up or down. So this is something that we'll need to check. So on the chart, this is approximately around here. So around here we are going to know. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a member of this YouTube channel. You can click on my affiliate link if you want to use TradingView and get a discount on that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.